So let's make sure our lines are pretty clean in doing this. Hopefully you're able to see that. So this is how I have my candle area set up for now. Yeah, I have this table which I tuck under here because I need height for my studio. So we're just going to be making some candles. I've got my fragrance oil. I'm using the coconut wax. We're just checking our temperature. So I'm using coconut wax. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to weigh the amount of wax that I actually need in here. I am making some very small, I think they're around 7 ounce candles. Good morning. So basically I heat my coconut wax to about 200, and this is my fragrance oil. I love musky, woodsy scented fragrance oil. So we're just going to be weighing our wax right now. This, I do not really like this, but this gets very hot, this presso pot. I think I need a larger presso pot, but very soon I'll be getting one. You know, when your business starts to grow, you try to get all the equipment that you need. I was making body butter, so usually I just bring my presto pot here and then, yeah. So let's get the right amount of wax we need. I'm using, I don't even know how many but you were able to see everything that I'm doing. Ooh, very hot. It is so hot. Perfect. All right, as soon as I pour my wax in, I still check the temperature to see it's about the same 200. And then remember, even though the flash point of how did that drip properly? Even though the flash point of a fragrance says, you know, it's 200 or 119, you could still pour the fragrance oil in, because the flash point refers to when the candle, so let me make sure, check my temperature, I want to see. Okay, right, when the candle, when the fragrance is actually heating up, okay, not when it's being added to something else. Because with the coconut wax, I find merging your fragrances, it's better to do it at a very high temperature, and always go with the recommendation of whatever suppliers you're going with. This is just my preferred temperature. I get to better hot and cold through, right? We stir that in. You could get it to about 190, whatever, before you pour it in. It depends on your vessel as well. But we're just going to ensure that, you know something, I really love this fragrance, and I feel I should put them in some other jars. I think I really want them in another jar as well, but we're going to do the smaller ones. And then let me bring this a little lower down so you're able to see when I'm pouring it. I want to make sure this has really good flow. Ooh. This is a beautiful fragrance blend. It has like, I'm hoping this does not crash on me before. Let's try one. I could see steam coming out of here. Very hot. I'm going to pour it inside here because I get a better pour inside here. And then I go over my wick and I just pour that in. Remember, your candles, they do shrink. So I always go all the way at the top of my wick because by the time it is dried up, trust me, it shrinks. Okay? Okay. I always check my temperature in the jar as well. See what temperature they are. I do heat up my jars a bit. Did not give me the amount I wanted. Let me see, 246. I think it should give me the amount I want. So I get about 8 to 10. 2,468. So I guess it gives me about 9. Okay. So this actually gave me about 9. Okay. So that's basically how I make my candles. I'm gonna heat up my wax again, and then I am going to make the remainder. So that is it. We're going to pass a little stirring stick or something inside, get rid of all your bubbles, and put it up to dry. So that is it. Thank you guys. Bye.